India's 315 billion IT industry is entering a crucial earnings sections. Is this just a temporary slowdown? Or is weak global demand and the AI transition reshaping the future of Indian IT? More importantly, why is this news important for UPSC? Let's understand. So, hello everyone and welcome to Mastura IS. The June quarter earnings sections for India's IT services companies begins on July 9 with TCS announcing its question 1 results. However, analysts expect the sector to report subdued earnings reflecting continued weakness in global demand. Now let's understand what is the news. India's leading IT companies including TCS, Infosys, HCLTech, Wipro and Tech Mahindra are likely to report slow revenue growth and cautious business outlooks. Since these firms derive a significant share of their revenue from the clients in the US and Europe. The slowdown in these economies is directly affecting India's IT exports. Now, why are earnings expected to remain weak? First, weak global demand. Businesses across the US and Europe are delaying discretionary technology spending due to economic uncertainty, high interest rates, and geopolitical risks. As a result, new IT contracts and digital transformation projects are being postponed. Second, AI transition. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities, but companies are still in the transition phase. While AI investments are increasing, they have not yet generated enough revenue to offset the slowdown in traditional IT services. Third, delayed client decision making. Large technology deals are taking longer to close as companies remain cautious about their spending. This has slowed order inflows and revenue growth for Indian IT firms. Now, from the UPSC perspective, this topic is highly relevant for GS paper 3rd, Indian economy. The Indian IT sector is important because it is one of the India's largest service export industries, generates significant foreign exchange earnings, employs millions of skilled professionals and strengthens India's digital economy and global competitiveness. A prolonged slowdown could affect exports, employment, GDP growth, tax revenues, and investor confidence. Now, from a positive outlook, we can say despite the short term challenges, the long term outlook remains optimistic. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, and digital transformation are expected to create new growth opportunities for Indian IT companies. Therefore, investors and policymakers will closely watch management commentary during the earnings sections for signs of demand and recovery. Now, from the UPSC, from prelims, this topics are the main. So, IT services, service exporters, artificial intelligence, and digital economy. From the GS paper 3rd, the topics include growth and development, employment, India's services sector, impact on global economic slowdown, and emerging technologies and AI. And if from the whole topic I can say out a question, so the question will include here is how can India maintain its leadership in the global IT services industry and rising AI adoption and global economic uncertainty? So this will be the topic here which include. Now this is the other first principles: AYT margin, constant currency, basic points, and sequential growth. This is the summary checklist. Now, at the last, I just conclude my words by just saying that the current slowdown reflects cylindrical global challenges rather than a structural weakness in India's IT industry. The sector's future growth will depend on AI adoption and innovation, upskilling and diversification of global markets. For UPSC, this topic highlights the intersection of technology, economy, globalization, and employment. So, I hope you like the way of my explanation. So, further, if you want the PDF of this topic, so you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. So, thank you so much.